Hello everyone, I'm Simon. Welcome to OS DevOps. So today I'll be showing you an application I worked on which is called the React quiz, right? So what this application is all about is testing your knowledge in React. So yeah, I know there's some really good developers out there that are really good at React. So this application was created to see how good you are or how good you claim to be, right? So we just have 15 short questions, right, to see how good you are. So let's take a look at the application. So let's start, right? So we'll start, and the first question says, which is the most JavaScript framework? Obviously, every developer knows this is React, right? So, and as you can see, you see that the question at this top is 15, and this at our right hand side is our mark. And as you can see, we have a timer, so we have a limited time to answer all the questions correctly. So we can click on next, and which company invented React? Obviously, every developer knows that, right? So I'm going to click on Facebook. As you can see, I added one more. I added more scores to my score right here. So I'm going to click on next, and it says, what's the fundamental building block of React application? Components. So very easy. So as you can see, I got it again and it added. So I'm going to try to fail a particular question so you can just see how that works when a person fails. It's not like I do not know the question, right? I do know the question, but I'm going to fail purposely, right? So let's just say FBJ, right? So let's click on this, and obviously the answer is just X. So as you can see, I didn't add that, and it shows that I have to move on to the next question, but then it shows the answer, which is JSX. So just because of time, I'm just going to pick random. Answers. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to pick random, just so we can see how that works. Random, just random. Even when I'm picking random, I'm still getting something. Okay, so let's continue. So this is my score, right? So it shows you scored 40 out of 280. Just like I said, this is not my actual score. I know all the questions and I know all the answers to the questions, right? So yes, so this is not my actual score. So this is just the score. And then you have the ability to restart the quiz, right? You have the ability to restart the quiz. You have the ability to see your scores, which is 40 out of 28. Then when you restart, then it shows you that. So this is basically just an application for React developers or developers at large to just test your knowledge in React. So thank you very much for your time. God bless you.